it's Ivy from Ivy Pink Made, and today I'm taking over Auntie Tay's channel with a sparkly deep dive into UV resin crafting 101, all using my fave goodies from Makerflo. Whether you've never opened a bottle of resin or you're just wanting to up your skills, this video will get you glowing, literally. So let's get into it. UV resin is a quick curing, crystal clear resin that hardens under UV light. Unlike two-part resin, there's no mixing. You just pour it, cure, and go. It's perfect for jewelry, charms, keychains, and all the mini magic. Makerflo's formula is low odor, bubble resistant, and crafter approved. Here's all the supplies that I'm using today, and everything is from Makerflo to keep things smooth, safe, and sparkly. Makerflo UV resin, UV lamp, silicone molds, silicone mat, resin tools like stir sticks and tweezers, mixing cups, alcohol spray for bubbles, gloves and mask for safety, embellishments like glitter, dry flowers, foil flakes, and charms. Everything is safe, beginner friendly, and totally customizable. Today I'm making a custom glitter keychain using dry flowers and a letter mold. UV resin lets you build in layers, so I'll add a bit of resin, cure it, and repeat to lock in every sparkle. Here's the step-by-step. Add a thin layer of resin to the mold. Place your glitter or flowers. Cure under the UV lamp for about 60 to 90 seconds. Add more resin and repeat until the mold is full. Do a final cure for 3 to 5 minutes. Demold and admire your gorgeous new creation. The best part, you can do all this in just minutes. No long waits like with traditional resin. Here are a few tips to help your resin project come out smooth and stunning. Always work in thin layers for better clarity, and use a quick spritz of alcohol to pop surface bubbles. Avoid overcuring. Too much time under the lamp can make your piece brittle. Store your resin upright with a cap to avoid leaks, and keep your resin out of sunlight or bright rooms to extend its shelf life. All the products I use today are from Makerflo, and they've got everything a resin artist needs. From premium molds to gorgeous glitters, it's a one-stop sparkle shop. You can grab everything at makerflo.com, and they often have amazing bundles and sales, so go take a peek. That's a wrap on Resin 101, and I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to create something amazing. And remember, this is just the beginning. In the next resin video, we'll be combining UV resin with wood blanks and making holiday keychains with all the glittery extras. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me at Ivy Pink Made, and check out Auntie Tay's membership, where you'll get access to exclusive SVGS, design files, and even more resin fun. Thanks for crafting with me, and see you next time.